Hi, my name is Greg Early. I'm executive editor at KCIinvesting.com as well as editor of realnanotechinvestor.com. And today I wanted to talk to you about a pretty cool little story on one of my stocks, pSivida. It's an Australian bio-nanotech company. It does two things in particular. One is a drug delivery system. Fundamentally, it does two drug delivery systems. One, it is leased from a company called Kinetic, which is a British company. It was a Ministry of Defense R&D company, the largest one in Europe. And it licensed this BrachySil, is what it's called, a biosilicon component. And it got its biosilicon and then made a drug and drug delivery component called BrachySil. Recently, what they've used this for is to put chemotherapy, radiation into bodies of patients and directly into the tumors, as opposed to going the more generalized radiation route from the outside. This, instead of localizing the radiation, pinpoints it to exactly where the tumors are, so you can put the drug right where the tumors are. And they're using an already proven, I think it's 32 phosphorus is what it's called, anti-cancer drug. Now what they're able to do with the BrachySil is they're able to put the 32 phosphorus in there, and then they can put this directly into the tumor. So what that means is that they can use this as a time release over a long period of time or a short period of time, control the dosage, control the release of this, so that it's more effective than it would be if you were simply using radiation treatment. So it's kind of a really revolutionary concept that a lot of different people are doing, but this BrachySil is in Phase IIa trials, which means that it's not in the efficacy side of the trial yet. What it's in is essentially whether it's tolerated by patients and whether it's safe. So there's safety and efficacy, essentially. So it's in the safety side, and it's also proving that the new results that were just presented at a gastrointestinal conference in Orlando. Doctor flew over from England to give the results of this. So this is a pretty big deal. They're doing it on pancreatic cancer, which has no other cure. And it's the fourth leading cause of death of the cancers. So it's a pretty big cancer with a pretty much solid mortality rate. And now they have said that this drug is fairly effective, and it is well tolerated as a component of drug therapy, along with a chemotherapy regimen as well. So it's a really exciting finding, and the stock has been slaughtered for a number of different reasons, and most of the issues are in the past. Its deal with Pfizer on the Retisert and Medidur products is strong and doing well. They just sold off another company, and that money will go to its bottom line. And now we have this news. So things are looking good for 2008 in pSivida. And the stock is up about, I don't know, almost 50%, 30, 40% in the past couple weeks. So it's still way below where it should be. And it is going to be a very exciting 2008, I think, for this stock. So it's pSivida. The US ticker symbol is pSDV.